Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G.
And I'm Ava Faith. And today, Auntie Mickey is going to be doing my nails. Step 1, we're going to clean under my nails. And this didn't hurt. Step 2, we're going to push my cuticles back. Now we're going to repeat the same steps on my other hand. This is prep work before we apply the gel polish. Auntie Mickey says prep work is very important. Now we're going to shape and file my nails. Don't worry, she was very gentle. Now we're going to clean my nails off with alcohol. Now that my nails are clean, we're going to apply the base coat. And this is from Gel Beauty. Auntie Mickey uses this one all the time. This video was over an hour long. Applying the base coat, we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the next hand. The colors I pick are pink and purple. So I wanted my first hand to be pink, and I wanted my second hand to be purple. I'm warm, the purple changes to blue, and when I'm cold, the blue changes to purple. Now Auntie Mickey's cleaning up the cuticle area. And then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to repeat the same steps. Apply the top coat. After we let that cure, we're all done. Aren't my nails pretty? Here's another angle of my nails. Now we're going to apply the cuticle oil. Then we're going to apply the hand cream. And that's it. My nails are all done. So when my nails are warm, they turn blue. And when my nails are cold, they're purple.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this. And please don't forget to continue to listen to Niece Ava. Bye!
Click subscribe and turn on in case you give me a huge thumbs up.